Hi, I'm Jeff Messmer, Vice President of Ranger Tugs, with a look at our new Ranger R27. It's standard with electronic controls and a color engine display, and is powered by a 200 horsepower Volvo D3 common rail diesel. The Volvo is completely outside of the cabin of the boat, providing quiet cruising and ease of access for maintenance. The R27 cockpit is nearly 50 square feet, which gives you plenty of room for entertaining and fishing. It also features a teak table, nice seating, plenty of cup holders, rod holders, and a raw water washdown. Plenty underdeck storage, and a nice line locker. Propane storage is in this convenient box. 5-rung ladder is standard, and the optional transom rails make boarding much easier. For warmer climates, we offer air conditioning as an option on the Ranger R27. We also offer the optional diesel-powered generator. Access to the quarter berth is through this convenient hatch. This area can also serve as storage and a hanging locker. There's also a convenient desk with a seat. The R27 has a large head with vessel sink, shower, and an electric flush toilet. The teak dinette table provides seating for 4. It also lowers down to provide a berth. It's hinged, which makes access easier and provides you with cup holders and a bar to hold onto in rough seas. When cruising, the portside seat flips to face forward. The forward berth of the R27 is over 6 foot 5 feet in length, provides plenty of room for 2 adults. There's also storage under the cushions and storage along the bolsters. The R27 is standard with propane stove and oven. Nice size sink with cutting board, plenty of galley storage, refrigerator with freezer, and when you get to where you're cruising, this flips up for additional counter space. The Fusion stereo, which is Bluetooth compatible, is standard in the R27, along with wipers on each of the windows, overhead defroster, TV with DVD that's interfaced with the Garmin electronics. The Garmin VHF 200 is standard on the R27. This particular boat has the optional Garmin 7612 chart plotter with radar, and it also has the optional autopilot. The standard windlass is controllable from here at the helm or on the bow of the boat. The Volvo electronic controls provide smooth shifting without the bind of cables. Our boat's standard with bow and stern thruster for ease of docking. Our boats are designed with single handling in mind. The standard stern and bow thruster allow you to parallel park to the dock. You can also hold the boat against the dock with the optional thruster remote. Being able to reach right out the window and deploy your fender with the conveniently placed cleat. The Sport Rack standard for holding your bicycle or kayak, and the optional solar panel is very popular. We have conveniently placed rails that allow safe access to the bow of the boat. The standard oversized Lumar windlass has convenient foot controls right here on the bow, with ample chain and road storage. The 8.5 foot beam on the Ranger R27 makes it trailerable, so it's ready to take you to your next adventure by land or by sea. Thank you for taking a brief look at our Ranger R27, and to learn more, visit us at rangertugs.com.